So we'll be turning this jar into this beautiful cough drop jar. I love how it turned out. To start, take off the lid, set that aside. I just made this really simple design with cough in script font and drops in a bolder font. And the O, and then sliced it, deleted the part of the O that got sliced, and then welded it all together, and this made a really cute design that I really like. Then after you have your design in Cricut, measure how big you can make your design. Then prep your blank by rubbing it with isopropyl alcohol. So next it's time to add your vinyl to your mat. After you have your vinyl on your mat, it's time to cut it out. Next it's time to take your material off of your mat and weed it. Then take some transfer tape. Whoa, that zoomed in. And then transfer your design onto your blank. And don't forget to make sure your design is centered. Oh, I love that. So once you have your jar ready, just add your cough drops. Then add the lid. And I think this is so cute and such a great addition to my room. I love it. Thank you for joining today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!